Hey guys, Praise here with another video. So this wasn't my intended video to post. I had intended on posting a video for a design I made for the International Space Day, which was April 12th. Yeah, International Space Day and the new month of April. Yeah, I had intended on posting that design, but because of my busy schedule, I have not been able to completely edit the video. Yeah, but I will eventually post the video anyway. But for those of you who are my Instagram, you follow me on my Instagram, yeah, you would have seen that design already. Yeah, I have it up on my Instagram. But for those who don't have my Instagram, I will leave a link to it in the description, so you can go check out the design and see for yourself before the video gets uploaded. Yeah, and then if you like what you see in the page, please leave a follow as well. It's very much appreciated. But this particular video right now is for a design I made. It's a design I made for Zumsa. Zumsa is a medical student association, yeah, in Edo State University. It's one of 4 designs I made for the period I made this. Maybe eventually I'll get to post some of the other ones, yeah, so you get to see them. They're also on my Instagram, so you can check it out as well. The video is really short. It's really short, about 3 minutes. It's not very long, but it's a possibility that you would learn something from it. So if you do, please make sure to leave a like and then also subscribe and turn on your notification as well, so you are alerted when I post a new video after this one. Yeah, especially because I am going to be uploading the video I talked about earlier after this. So make sure to turn on your notification so you don't miss that video and future videos.
And as for the design process that was skipped, it will be shown in one of the other videos for this design series, so not to worry, you still get to see it.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.